Hey folks, Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center. Welcome to you. Today we're going to talk about how to get ready to start your business. As you wrap up all the launch tasks to establish your business, it's time to begin the countdown towards the launch day. Before the big day arrives, make sure to take into account these steps for getting ready to open your doors. Look for social evidence. To raise awareness, you can offer influencers or industry experts a sample of your product or service in return for a testimonial. They can highlight the advantages they experienced by utilizing your solution, which you can leverage to boost your product launch. Click the link in the description and discover the essential steps to launching your own business with a comprehensive step-by-step guide to starting your own business. And folks, like this video, share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you keep on receiving new videos to enhance your knowledge. Thank you for watching.